Hello friends, now we are going to study how to consume a delete request in MVC application. So consuming delete request is quite easy. So let us see the layout first or UI first, and then after we'll start with the implementation. So this is going to be our layout. We are going to display our index view, which is nothing but our listing page, and here we have already given link for the delete. So whenever we hit on this link, one of the action method that we have specified for delete will be called, and it will give subsequent call to the delete request of our web API, and web API will delete the respective selected product. And then after, again we will reload this view, so it will have the list of product excluding that deleted product. Okay, so let us start with the implementation. I'm switching to Visual Studio. So this is our same MVC application, which is consume web API in MVC. Till now we consume both the get request, post and put. Now in this video we are going to see the last request, which is delete request to consume. Okay, so here I'm going to write one action method, and name of my action method will be delete, and let us keep a return type as action result delete, and it will accept a parameter which is nothing but a ID of our product. Okay, so again I am specifying the argument name as ID purposefully, because in our root config file ID root parameter is already mentioned. So if you are going to change the name here, change that name in our root config file also. Let me quickly show it to you. So root config file is present in app start folder, and here ID parameter is already mentioned as a part of routing. So let us switch back to our controller. Again, you might wonder why I am specifying the name of my action method as delete, because if you remember in our index view, if you check, we have provided these two links, right? One is edit and one is delete. And here itself we mention the name of our action method as delete. So if you check the parameters, first parameter is link text, means what will be the display text, and second parameter is the name of our action method. So since here the name of action method is specified as delete and edit, that's why I mentioned the same name for my both the action method. For edit also I choose the edit action method name, and for delete also I use the same name. So that is the only purpose. Otherwise, whatever name you specified there, the same name you have to mention here, or vice versa. Okay, so here again deleting or consuming the delete request is quite easy. We already studied that part. Here also I am going to copy the code. So this is the code. I'll quickly explain you. Yes, the first step as usual, create an object of HttpClient class. Then second is specify the base address. Then we give call to our delete async method, and while calling that delete async method we specify the name of our controller, and we pass the ID also, because the delete request of our web API is accepting the ID. And once our particular record get deleted, we are checking the success code. If it is true, we are redirecting to the index action method. So index action method code get executed again. It will again give call to the get method of our web API, which will return the list of all the products, and that all the products will be listed in the tabular format of our view. Okay, so let me quickly show you the delete request of our web API. So I am in web API now, and if you check here, your delete action method of web API is accepting the argument. We are finding that product by ID. If we got that product, we are removing from the database. Okay, so again switching to MVC application. Now the next step is to test this, right? So let me run this. Select this product/index. So our listing page or index view get rendered. Suppose I want to delete this product. Okay, so for delete link also if you check in the left bottom corner, you can see that every delete link is associated with a product ID, delete/add. Currently it is showing delete/add. For the next product, it is showing delete/15, which is nothing but the ID of our product. So whenever we click on this link, this ID will be collected in the ID parameter of our controller, and then after call is given to our web API's delete method. So let us try to delete it and let us observe the output. Yeah, it got deleted. Okay, now 8th record or the product having 8 ID is no longer present. Similarly, we'll try this also. Yes, it also gets successfully deleted. So all the things related to consuming web API in ASP.NET MVC application is completed here. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any doubts, any concerns or any suggestion, definitely you can write it to the comment section. Thank you for watching.